Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. A volatile day today, a very volatile day. Ethereum remains very interesting. Ethereum is currently fighting with this $1,700 level. That is a highly relevant level on the Ethereum chart. You can see that this level basically splits the Ethereum chart in half. You've got the entire lower range here below $1,700, where a lot of the price action has played out. And whenever we broke above the 1700 level, we had a huge run, okay? So this is where we currently are, above this $1,700 level, but there's a risk, obviously, we drop below it. So let's go to the 1 hour chart again. So yeah, we are here in a little bit of a tricky situation. Yeah, already announced that up here throughout this entire area, that the uncertainty was starting. Yeah, the uncertainty was starting basically from the moment on when we had made this leg up. Yeah, until then everything went very smoothly, and we talked about this wave pattern as a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, and all the targets here have been reached amazingly. Yeah, really amazingly. But here it became a bit of an unknown, because what you want to see in any bullish scenario is a 5-wave move to the upside. Now, technically you could say we've done that already with this move and the wave high here at 1784. This was a 5-wave move. From here, the uncertainty began, because until that point, you know, all the nice targets were reached. We reached the wave 3 target, we reached the wave 4 target. Then we moved up in a wave 5, and here the problem is that here at this point, technically you could see that this entire impulse as complete. Yeah, small problem about that is that this last wave to the upside was a little bit too weak for a wave 5. Possible though, yeah, nothing in the rules stating that a wave 5 couldn't be a bit weak. Yeah, not a problem. But yeah, technically that 5-wave move could be complete here, or could have been completed here. Now we kept rising, and because of that, primary expectation has been, and I'm not too sure about that anymore at this stage, but it's still primary expectation. It will only change below 1560, and below 1660 I will already consider it. Is that here the primary expectation would be wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, wave 4 down, and we are now here in this 5th wave still in a long wave 5. Problem is, it was all nice and good until we dropped below the wave 1 high here at 7087 today, or at 7084, because until then there was still a chance to count the 5th wave here of this impulse as a beautiful 5-wave structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, one leg is missing, and the drop below 1784 creates a problem. It creates a problem in a sense that the only way to make this still work in a bullish scenario now is that we have to count this as a 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Or in the worst case, a 1, A, B, C as a wave 2 then. So that all of this was just a wave 1 and 2. All of this is not ideal, and all of this is not really harmonic anymore. Yeah, and that is a bit of a problem. That's very important in Elliott Wave. To also get nice and harmonic wave patterns, the most likely ones. This is getting a bit messy now. So I'm observing this situation now. Yeah, I also can't tell you what exactly is going to happen now, because there are various possibilities now that can unfold, and that started to be like that after we created this 5th wave here, or this wave above the wave 3, which could be a 5th wave. It could also just be the 1st wave of a larger impulse unfolding to the upside. We don't know that yet. So at the moment, it's important to look at technical levels, in my opinion, to determine where we are and where we're going. In terms of technical levels, we have that $1,700 level down here as a red line. If we drop below this and hold below it, not good for the chart. We then still have that 1660 level, maybe not that meaningful, but it's a critical swing low. If we drop below this, then we are going to retest the 1560, and if we drop below 1560, for me this entire scenario is not looking good anymore then, yeah? It's not looking good anymore, and in that scenario we then have to also become accustomed to the scenario that we will make a lower low and have a big risk that we're actually going to drop below 880 once more, yeah? I mean, those would be amazing prices, absolutely. I mean, I would love a $650 Ethereum, absolutely. Thing is, at the moment, a lot of uncertainty. Yeah, we don't know. There was a lot of money to be made on the way up, yeah, and I hope some of you have realized or are still realizing here profits, because nobody got poorer from realizing profits, yeah. And we now need to look at these technical levels, yeah. This could still be a bullish scenario, but in the immediate or very bullish scenario, we need to move up as soon as possible and then break above the $2022 level. In the, let's say, less bullish scenario, we still have a chance to come down into this wave 2 area here between 1230 and 1440, and will reverse from here to the upside. This is not yet clear. This will become clearer as we move towards this area, and if we then see an impulsive wave structure coming out of here, that will be a really, really good indication that we are still in a bullish scenario. But if we just go through this area here and drop below 1230, or already below 1280 to be honest, then we have to increase massively the probabilities to drop below 880. So this is sort of the three key scenarios here that are currently unfolding and that we have to observe. A lot of uncertainty, not a good sign that we drop below the 50-day moving average. Until at the moment, at the moment we can still be carefully bullish in my opinion, despite the sell-off here. Reasons are that this still technically could be seen as a wave 1-2, 1-2, nothing else. We didn't change the wave pattern or anything. Yeah, and we've only really come into my reversal area here. But there is no evidence that this low is already in for this wave 2 here. So wave 1 up here, wave 2 down here. There's no evidence yet that this is in. And again, a move below 1560 would also invalidate this wave pattern. In my opinion, what we could have seen here, a wave 3, wave 4 currently unfolding, but also a bit unclear. In that wave 4, we have now reached the minimum retracement. Ideal retracement would be 1755. The minimum was 1726. So either now or at 1755, I would expect another wave down, because we can count at the moment only 4 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there should be another wave down to finish off here the wave C of the wave 2. Then we have another good chance to reverse back to the upside. But still, take a look at that $1,700 level, 1660 and 1560. So be on high alert that it could go down now, especially as we reach the minimum retracement for wave 4. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.